Hi, I am P.Revathi. I am working as Assistant Professor in SNS College of Engineering in Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. Today we are going to discuss the topic about query processing. Query processing is the activity performed in extracting data from the database. In query processing, it takes various steps for fetching data from the database. The steps involved are parsing and translation, optimization, evaluation. The query processing works in the following way. First one is parsing and translation. The scanning, parsing, and validating module produces an internal representation of the query. The query optimization module devises an execution plan, which is the execution strategy to retrieve the result of the query from the database file. A query typically has many possible execution strategies differing in performance, and the process of choosing a reasonably efficient one is known as query optimization. The code generator generates the code to execute the plan. The runtime database processor runs the generated code to produce the query result. Relational algebra is well suited for the internal representation of a query. The translation process in query processing is similar to the parser of a query. When a user executes any query for generating the internal form of the query, the parser in the system checks the syntax of the query, verify the name of the relation in the database, the tuple, and finally the required attribute value. The parser creates a tree of the query known as parse tree, further translate into the form of a relational algebra. With this, it evenly replaces all the use of the views when used in the query. Step 1, that is parser. During parse call, the database performs the following checks: syntax check, semantics check, and shared pool check. Parser performs the following checks, that is syntax check. Syntax check concludes SQL syntactic validity. Example, select star from employee. Here, error of wrong spelling of from given by this check. That is select star from employee, here given, here this is the mistake. Select, instead of giving select star from employee, they are given select star from employee. Next one is semantic check. It determines whether the statement is meaningful or not. Example, query contains a table name which does not exist is checked by this check. The third one is shared pool check. Every query possesses a hash code during its execution, so this check determines existence of written hash code is shared pool. If code exists in shared pool, then database will not take additional steps for optimization and execution. Hard pace and soft pace. Thank you.